Right, okay guys, so what's happened is I was just right in the middle of doing this edit, and what happened is I filmed a piece of camera outside the showroom at the beginning because there was an issue when I went inside where they were playing music, and obviously I couldn't record my voice and stuff like that inside the showroom. So obviously I said all this to camera, but unfortunately I think what happened was I was using the wrong S to film, and I had it out and I clicked record. There was a bit of an issue where it went a bit haywire. I think I stopped the recording, spun it back round, got the shot, but unfortunately I don't think I pressed record. So without further ado guys, let's jump into this video. This is the new Ford Puma. Let's get into it. Okay, so here it is, the all new Ford Puma. Yeah, there's going to be many people out there that harp on about the fact of the old Puma, but of course that was also based on a Fiesta, as well as the new Puma is also based on a Fiesta. You're going to come in many different trim levels, from the ST line to the Titanium X. You're going to have a 1 litre EcoBoost hybrid engine capable of producing 125 horse, pushing up to another one which produces 150. The titanium version is going to have a higher roofline, so I'm told. The styling on this is absolutely fantastic, but then you move around to the back and that boot is 456 litres. That's absolutely fantastic for a car of this size, but its key feature is underneath that. So underneath that boot floor is actually what they're calling the kitchen sink. There's a plug, you take that plug out and you can actually hose down stuff in the boot of the car. So you got a muddy dog who's been in the boot, basically you just hose that boot down, hose the dog down, and away you go. It's pretty clever. Then you've got all the new driver assists, the likes of the massive screen which is going to be capable of showing you your sat nav, a place for your phone to charge your phone wirelessly. You're going to have adaptive cruise control, pre-collision assist and evasive steering assist, all keeping a watchful eye on the road ahead, alerting you to potential hazards. This thing is going to have so much technology in it, it's going to be unreal. These go on sale in December of this year with the starting price of £20,000, ranging upwards to £27,000. Right, okay, so that's it from the Puma side of things. What do you think of the new Ford Puma? Is it something that you're interested in? If you want to learn more, there's a link in the description down below for you to check that out. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it. If you like this video, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. And I'll see you all in the next video. Take it easy everyone, see you all soon.